channel. It is Tuesday morning. I'm running out. I'm gonna hit a thrift store, so I want to bring you guys along with me, see if I find any cool items. And I'm also running to Walgreens to pick up a prescription. Did want to speak out a little bit on the Nashville shooting that happened at Covenant Presbyterian Church. Steven and I have been really feeling the weight and honestly just praying so much for people affected. It's just terrible, so evil. I don't have many words to share with you guys, just my heart that's super heavy. Just can't wait for Jesus to come, just restore the earth, you know. That's what I believe he will do, and that's our hope. That's Steven and my hope and what we're praying for. So anyways, I wanted to speak out on that and just ask you guys to pray too. Prayer is so powerful, and just pray to Jesus that comfort, supernatural comfort just comes over the families. And honestly, just I keep thinking about the children that had to see that, and just their innocence and something so horrific at such a young age, and just new fears being instilled into the next generation that I didn't have in high school or elementary school, middle school, high school. So I want to speak out on that. I will see you all soon at the thrift store. Okay, I am back. I want to show you guys what I got at Goodwill. I was in there for a little while. I'm so sorry I didn't film. I was just very distracted, and I get very into thrifting. So I got this big cardigan jacket, and it has this Peter Pan collar. I love this color. I just envision this in the spring and summer, just when I go out at night, if it gets chilly, bringing this with me, and I feel like I could style this in a cute way. I got a couple things for my Depop. I usually will sell vintage, more early 2000s, 90s things on there. So whenever I find those thrifting, I will definitely sell those. But I found this little blue, it honestly looks early 2000s, little short sleeve cotton short sleeve. And then I got this tank, which I thought was so cute because it dips in the back and it's high in the front, and it's this beautiful mustard turmeric color. I got a pair of corduroys, high-rise corduroys, because you just cannot go wrong with these for the fall. This precious little, I think lime mint green little t-shirt. I think this will be so cute for the spring. Next bag. Oh my gosh. I got this bag. This was 50% off. Anything this material, this woven basket look, I just absolutely love, especially for the summer and the spring. But yeah, this was a half off, so this was $2. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I found this 1975 t-shirt. What? It's so big, oversized. It's an off-white color. I feel like I could sell this definitely, but I like it. I'm gonna keep it. I got this for the fall because I just was this is just so precious. It's a midi skirt, or a knee-length skirt with this precious pattern. I feel like I have multiple ways that I want to style this. I have some ideas. I found clogs. I'm so excited about these. These are not everybody's vibe. Clogs USA. And I found black ones. I need to sanitize these, but these are so fun to style. And they just remind me of the Birkenstocks. I found these little dark chocolate brown kitten toe heels. I might sell these. I love this little detail right here. I got a vintage Ralph Lauren linen mini skirt. This little tote bag. I thought this would be cute. I got a makeup toiletry bag, Elizabeth Arden. It's this pretty orangey red color, and I feel like these always come in handy for traveling. And then last but not least, I got this, honestly, yeah, this is definitely from the 90s, this midi skirt. It's this cream color. I love this little detail right here, and it's got this lace here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's just a fitted mini skirt. So those are all the things I got. I'm gonna head home. And then I think we're doing an escape room tonight with some friends. So maybe I'll get some footage of that. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon.
My face, my fingers sore and gray, my hair will fall away. My last words would be a joke I told. I almost made it through. The end was in my throat.
everyone. It is Wednesday. I am about to head out to meet a friend at the zoo with her precious little son. It's so beautiful today. It's like gonna be high 65, no humidity. I'm wearing this new jacket that I showed you guys yesterday. I just styled it with like a high tank from Banana Republic, Levi's, and my white Nikes. I can show you guys that when I get back if I remember. But yeah, I feel like this is perfect for this weather. I just love it. It's so cute. I wonder how it looked buttoned up. I'm leaving it open just because it's kind of hot. But yeah, that's the update. So I will see you guys at the zoo. I think I'm gonna enjoy just quality time with my friend, but I will film a little bit at the zoo and then I'll see you guys later.
We would cut the steel to set the people free. And all the things she thought I was would come out in her comic books. The face I made when I would yell, she'd illustrate with colored cells. She writes.
Hello everyone. It's later on. I've just finished making banana and chocolate chip cookies. I'm sorry, muffins. Steven's friend gave me the recipe and they were delicious. I am basically just chilling tonight, relaxing. Steven is at Guy's group and I think I'm going to get ready to go to bed soon and like wind down, maybe do some more work, maybe read a little bit. The escape room yesterday was so much fun. Steven and I went with 4 other friends and they had all done many escape rooms before. Steven had done once before and that was my first one. So we had a blast with our friends. We got up pretty quickly again because we had like 4 pretty advanced people there. I felt like I was not participating that much because I didn't want to say anything stupid. But I feel like now that I've done one, next one that we do, I will definitely have a much better idea of what the heck is going on. And then I'll speak up more, but it was really fun to observe. And then today at the zoo was so sweet. I went with my sweet friend and her precious little son, and we just had a blast. We had great girl time. It was beautiful weather today, as I mentioned earlier. That was my day, and I will check in with you all tomorrow. I do not know what plans I have quite yet. I think tomorrow's definitely just, so far, I'm gonna be working. It's gonna be really beautiful out, and it's been just so gray in Nashville. Like most of March, it was just like, it's been gross. So now that the sun has been consistently coming out, I'm just like, I need to be outside and get vitamin D because it's been Twilight vibes around here. So I might go for a walk tomorrow. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll keep you guys in the loop and I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night. Hello everyone. Let's get in my car. Okay, you guys, it's the next day. I've just been bopping around town. I just stopped to look at an apartment for my sister because she's thinking about moving here over the summer. So I went to go check that out and it was really cute. This area is adorable. So I stopped to do that. I've basically been working this morning. I've been filming TikToks, doing Depop stuff, and just, yeah, working most of the morning. Steven was out, so I was just doing my thing solo this morning. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog of just honestly authentic, typical days in my life. Bring you guys along with me. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video.